So this is how I take these little areas out, is just with this little tool that I got to go with it. And then you just take them out like that. And now I'm going to separate them because I'll use transfer paper to make sure that all of the letters lay exactly where I want them to. So this is the transfer paper that I use, and it's got its little grids so I can make sure everything stays nice and aligned when I put it on, and then for when I remove it. So if I had to say that there's any part that stresses me out the most, it's this part, because a lot of times it does not want to lift, just like this. So when that happens, I actually have to give it a little nudge. And it's so stressful because you can damage the letters. But it kind of helps it to lift. So then when you press it down again, hopefully it pulls. See that? But I'll get it. I just got to get off camera. So now you're just going to remove it like that. And then you'll get your timer. Make sure to position it exactly where you want it. And then you'll remove the transfer paper and it'll just leave behind your little letters. So for this one, I really tried to press down a lot harder on the letters, and oh my gosh, that was the trick, guys. See, I am still learning each time I use this machine, and I've only used it a handful of times, so makes sense. All right, the brows one came out a lot nicer because I figured out what I was doing wrong. The letters are a little crooked on this one, but you know what? Nobody's going to notice that. This is for me to make sure I don't get my times mixed up, and I'm so excited. I do have a link on my Amazon, which actually I think I got literally everything. My Cricut, my mats, even my vinyl, I believe I got there, but I can just link my store and you guys can get whatever you need there.